Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unwrap this one. This is Supreme the No Face RTG T, white color, extra large. Retail price on this is $54 and then $10 shipping fee, $4.73 for the tax. So the total damage on this one is $68.73. So let's go ahead and try to open this up and show you guys. First of all, I have Clorox wipes right here that I'm going to wipe it down. And I got my rubber glove to practice safety for the current virus that is going on right now. So I want to give thanks one of my viewers to ask me to do this, to practice this safety for the opening or unboxing. Then now I'm gonna cut this open right now. All right, so I got the Tupac and then painted sticker, and then one of the red box logo sticker. So I got 3 sticker in one of this pack. So this one is the Supreme the No Face RTG T. It's spring summer 2020. I'm not sure what is K, but N probably stand for no face, and then 94 item, and then you got the barcode, white color, and then extra large. So let's just give a quick wipe down real quick. But I don't want to wipe the sticker. I don't want to ruin the original sticker. So as you see, you got the air ventilation hole right here that is punched through on both sides. This is the back side, and you got 2. And then when you flip over, there's a front. It's right here, and then the other one's right there. Let's go ahead and open this up. So be sure to look at the plastic bag. Got the warning, English, Spanish, and then French. And you got the recycle symbol right there, PELD, recyclable. Let's go ahead and check out this tag right here. Got the no face, and then Supreme. You got this men's, and then almost, and then Japanese probably says men's. You got the extra large / TG, and this is made in USA. So flip over and check out the tag that's under there. So there are like 2 more tags. It's 100% cotton. And then you got this last tag that's like a hologram effect. And then on the back, got this QR code. Let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, on the front, you got this like a vest that is printed on there. And then on the lower left-hand side, you got the no face, and then a black Supreme box logo. And then right here it has a print of the buckle, and then the strap, it says Supreme. And then it's supposed to say the no face. And then there's a buckle again. Midsection right here, you got the zipper. And you got the D-ring right here. And then there's another D-ring right there. Some more strap right here, and then right there. And then you're supposed to have like a slanted zipper pocket on the vest. And then same goes on this side. Let's go ahead and check out the back. Wow, look at the back. This is the back of the vest. Got like a 1, 2, 3 quick release buckle right there. And then below that is RTG. And then there's a zipper pocket with the no face pull tab right there. And then you got the shock cord right here for quick adjustment. And then that for the quick release buckle right there on both sides. 2 over here and then 2 over there. And then you're supposed to have like a stitching right there, the no face with the half dome, and then black Supreme box logo. So this shock cord loops around on the bottom, crisscross it, and then go right there on the top. Got the 2, 4, 6, 5 of the loop. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching and be safe out there. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.